Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix Instagram not showing gallery photos, and here's how it is done. Restart the app. Close the Instagram app completely and restart it. This may fix minor glitches. Restarting your phone can clear temporary issues that might be causing the problem. Make sure Instagram has permission to access your device storage. For Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram. Tap on Permissions and ensure storage is enabled. For iOS, go to Settings, Instagram. Make sure Photos access is set to read and write. Update Instagram. Outdated versions of the app may cause bugs. Update Instagram to the latest version via the App Store or Google Play Store. Clear Instagram cache. Android. If you're using an Android device, clearing the cache might help. Go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear cache. Reinstall Instagram. Uninstall and then reinstall the app. This can help if the app installation itself is corrupted. Check internet connection. A slow or unstable connection might cause Instagram not to load media correctly. Switch to more stable Wi Fi or mobile data connection. Disable data saver mode. Data saver mode can restrict Instagram's ability to load photos. Within Instagram, go to Profile, Menu, three horizontal lines, Settings, Account, Data usage, turn off use less data. Try Instagram web version. If nothing works, upload your photos using the Instagram web version, instagram.com, to see if it is a device specific issue. If these steps don't resolve the problem, there may be a temporary issue on Instagram's end. That is everything you need to know about how to fix Instagram not showing gallery photos live account. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.